guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Shang, and I'll be going on a road trip. So from here in New York, I'll be driving down to Georgia, and then next to Florida. I'll be staying for a few days, and then from Florida I think I'm gonna go to Arkansas, Texas, maybe Colorado, Utah, Arizona, and then California. And then from California I'll go to Oregon, North and South Dakota, and then back to New York. I know it may not be the best time to go on a road trip or travel, but I realized that life is too short, and when is really the best time to go if not now. So I know a lot of people are affected by the pandemic going on, and my parents and my family are not really okay with me traveling at this time, but I'll be more careful, staying away, wearing my mask and sanitizing my hands. And I hope that you guys would come to my journey and see it. That's it. Tip number 1 for packing: make sure you get yourself some packing cubes like these. This one, it's easier because you can see what's inside, but this is my favorite one because you can compress it. So this is the regular size, and you can zip this up to make it a little smaller. Roll your clothes. This will save you more space if you roll it. And then while you roll, you still tighten it. You put it in your packing cubes, right? Now for the shirts, it's the same thing. If you see, this is about the same size, right? But if I zip this up, see the difference? Packing tip number 3. Get yourself a microfiber towel. I think this is a medium size. Perfect for travel. See how thin this is? Bring a laundry bag so you can put your dirty clothes in here. Tip number 5. Extension cord. The USB hub. But I actually like both of them because this one, if you have any devices that can't power with the USB hub, you can use this one, such as your computer. But most of the stuff I'm able to just plug in. So this is my food, and this is for the cooking stuff. So I organized it so it's easier to see. So I have pancit canton, I have this stir fry, I have cup of noodles, coffee, and I have coffee as well, and some oil and tuna. Alright, before I start my trip, I always have to get the coffee. Good morning! Today is day 1 of my road trip. I'm headed to Georgia, but I think I'm gonna have to stop over somewhere because it's about 13 hours drive. And but I don't really have any plans, so I don't know where I'm gonna be sleeping tonight, so we will see. So the first stop is gonna be in the Grotto by Maryland. I've been here I think twice already, but I think this is the place that I want to make my first stop. This is 4 hours away driving. I don't know if you can see the sky, but it looks like it's going to rain. It's only been about an hour and I'm already falling asleep. I think because I woke up feeling sick this morning, and I didn't really get much sleep last night too.
So I still have about 1 hour left till I reach my destination, but I was so sleepy and there is no rest area. The rest area are closed. So what I did is I went to a Holiday Inn and parked my car here, and maybe I'll take like 15-minute nap, and that way my car could get some rest too. Back on the road. I didn't get to take a nap, but I was able to research some places that I want to go. So I think for tonight I'm gonna stay in the campground by Virginia. I saw some places that they don't need reservation, but it's a first come first serve. From Maryland, I think it's about 4 hours or 3.5. So hopefully by the time I get there, there's still some slots. Alright, I made it here to the grotto, and you can see the tall statue of Mother Mary, but the Grotto of St Louis is the other side, so this way. There's a couple of places that I want to see here in Virginia, some of the falls. So I think I'm gonna just stay in the campground. The campground that I saw was 2 hours away from here, but it's a first come first serve basis. So it's only 2:30. Hopefully I should be able to get a spot. If not, I'll try to look around somewhere else. There's actually another one that I want to go, but it's 5 hours away, and I don't really want to start setting up my tent in the middle of the night. So wish me luck. Hopefully I get a spot.